Hey, hi everyone. You want to improve English, but you are always busy with your other commitments to fulfill? If you are like me, you are always finding for ways to maximize your time, especially when it comes to learning English. Today, we are diving into a very fascinating concept, learning English while you sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Learning English while you sleep. First, let's be clear. You are not going to wake up fluent after one night. Actually, what I want to tell you, there are some ways where you can utilize your sleep time to reinforce whatever you have learned and to observe new vocabulary. It is all about creating supporting learning system even when you are unconscious. Now let's talk about how and why this even works. What is the science behind it? During sleep, our brain consolidates memories and it boosts the connection between the neurons, essentially solidifying whatever we have learned. So if you have been learning English, your sleep can help to reinforce that knowledge. I have few tips for you to utilize your sleep time for learning English. So tip number 1 is review before bed. So before you drift off, what you need to do is that you have to spend 10 to 15 minutes reviewing vocabulary, grammar, phrases, means whatever you have learned throughout the day, or you can listen to the short podcast, or you can read small English story. Really, it works. My tip number 2 is passive listening. This is where the while sleeping part comes in. Listen to the informative, knowledgeable podcast while sleeping in a low volume. Don't go with a very complex or high-paced podcast. Just go with a simple and easy podcast. Really, your English is going to be improved. Tip number 3, consistent practice, and it is crucial. Remember, sleep learning is supplement, not the replacement of active study. So you have to put your efforts and you have to invest time for learning English, and it should be part of your daily routine. And we all know that consistency always wins. Tip number 4, good sleep hygiene. This goes without saying that quality sleep enhances memory and it keeps our mind fresh and we can learn the things easily. So make sure that you are getting proper and enough sleep. Create relaxing bedtime routine and stop scrolling the screen before bed. Let's recapitulate all the points. Review before bed, passive listening, consistent practice, and good sleep hygiene. Remember, this is about maximizing your learning time, not finding a magic bullet. And again, sleep learning is a supplement, not the replacement of active study. Keep learning, keep smiling. Bye-bye.